Visit us on onestepenglish.com. Practice day number 6. Listening. Directions in listening section. You will hear monologues, dialogues, and academic talks. Balto, the lifesaver. In 1925, a dog named Balto saved people's lives. People who live in Nome, Alaska, were very sick. The doctors in Nome could not help them. Doctors 900 miles away had medicine that could help. It was winter, though, and the snow was deep. The only way to get through the snow was with sleds pulled by dogs. In those days, one team of dogs could not go all the way to Nome. Different teams of dogs lived along the way. So each team went only part of the way. Then another team of dogs took over. A storm had started by the time it was Balto's turn. The snow was thick. People could not see, but Balto and his team did not get lost. Almost a day after Balto's team started, the sled got to Nome. It was late. People were worried. But when they saw Balto, they cheered. The medicine that Balto brought saved many lives in Nome.
Number 1. Why can't the doctors deliver the medicine?
Letter A. The doctors don't have time to deliver it.
Letter B. The doctors had a lot of patients in the hospital that time.
Letter C. The doctors could not give the medicine because the snow was deep.
The correct answer is letter C. The doctors could not give the medicine because the snow was deep.
Number 2. What is the only way to deliver the medicine?
Letter A. Ask someone to deliver the medicine in Nome.
Letter B. The only way to get through the snow to deliver the medicine was with sleds pulled by dogs.
Letter C. No possible way because the snow was deep.
The correct answer is letter B. The only way to get through the snow to deliver the medicine was with sleds pulled by dogs.
Number 3. How did Balto save the lives of the people who lived in Nome?
Letter A. By formulating a medicine for the people.
Letter B. By buying a medicine for them.
Letter C. By bringing the medicine they needed.
The correct answer is letter C. Balto saved the lives of the people who lived in Nome by bringing the medicine they needed.
Reading section.
In this section, you will be required to read 2 passages on varying topics. After each passage, you will answer questions to test your ability to understand vocabulary, writer's point of view, factual information and sentence structures.
Reading number 1. Source: www.sciencenews.org. An excerpt of Chemists are Reimagining Recycling to Keep Plastics Out of Landfills by Maria Timming.
Number 1. In recycling, why do they need to process materials separately?
Letter A. Because not all plastics were made with the same material.
Letter B. Because some were not made in good plastics.
Letter C. Because they need to check if the plastics are recyclable.
The correct answer is letter A. They need to process materials separately because not all plastics were made with the same material.
Number 2. What do they do first before recycling the plastic?
Letter A. They ask someone to buy plastics to stores.
Letter B. They bring the plastics to the sorting area.
Letter C. They count the plastics.
The correct answer is, letter B. They bring the plastics to the sorting area before recycling it.
Number 3. What is the reason why they need to sort the plastics?
Letter A. Because it might crack when two materials are mixed.
Letter B. Because they might make another kind of plastic.
Letter C. Because they need to clean it.
The correct answer is, letter A. They need to sort the plastics because it might crack when two materials are mixed.
Number 1. What is the most powerful way to calm down from stress and anxiety?
Letter A. Connect and spend time with someone that matters to us.
Letter B. Spend time shopping alone.
Letter C. Go to hospital and have your checkup.
The correct answer is, letter A. The most powerful way to calm down from stress and anxiety is to connect and spend time with someone that matters to us.
Number 2. What is the advantage of connecting and spending time with someone that matters to us?
Letter A. It promotes positive connection that will help us stay calm.
Letter B. Simply because we are family.
Letter C. Simple gestures will help nothing.
The correct answer is, letter A. The advantage of connecting and spending time with someone that matters to us is it promotes positive connection that will help us stay calm.
Number 3. Combing someone's hair is a simple blank to calm someone.
Letter A. Feeling.
Letter B. Gesture.
Letter C. Connection.
The correct answer is, letter B. Combing someone's hair is a simple gesture to calm someone.
You've reached the mid part of the video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Vocab. In this section, you will learn vocabulary words with its meanings and examples. In the test, there are 5 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer each question.
Gesture. Noun, a movement of part of the body, especially a hand or the head, to express an idea or meaning.
Example. John made a rude gesture and walked away.
Precious. Adjective, greatly loved or treasured by someone.
Example. We cannot afford to waste precious memories.
Recyclable. Adjective, able to be recycled.
Example. The trash bin outside is for recyclable materials.
Sensation. Noun, a physical feeling or perception resulting from something that happens to or comes into contact with the body.
Example. The news caused a great sensation.
Tricky. Adjective, of a task, problem, or situation, requiring care and skill because difficult or awkward.
Example. Installing Windows is quite a tricky job.
Let's have a quick test on vocab section. Number 1. Mom asked Taya some blank questions.
Letter A. Gesture. Letter B. Precious. Letter C. Recyclable. Letter D. Sensation. Letter E. Tricky.
The correct answer is, letter E. Mom asked Taya some tricky questions.
Number 2. Anna and Mika communicated entirely by blank. Noun, a movement of part of the body, especially a hand or the head, to express an idea or meaning.
Letter A. Gesture. Letter B. Precious. Letter C. Recyclable. Letter D. Sensation. Letter E. Tricky.
The correct answer is letter A. Anna and Mika communicated entirely by gesture.
Number 3. Candice had the blank that she was being followed. Noun, a physical feeling or perception.
Letter A. Gesture. Letter B. Precious. Letter C. Recyclable. Letter D. Sensation. Letter E. Tricky.
The correct answer is letter D. Candice had the sensation that she was being followed.
Number 4. May is a blank friend of mine. Adjective, greatly loved or treasured by someone.
Letter A. Gesture. Letter B. Precious. Letter C. Recyclable. Letter D. Sensation. Letter E. Tricky.
The correct answer is letter B. May is a precious friend of mine.
Number 5. Blank bottles should be kept because we might use it someday. Adjective, able to be recycled.
Letter A. Gesture. Letter B. Precious. Letter C. Recyclable. Letter D. Sensation. Letter E. Tricky.
The correct answer is letter C. Recyclable bottles should be kept because we might use it someday. Speaking section.
What do you consider to be the single most important societal problem? Why?
I consider pollution as the most important societal problem because it affects us every day. Air pollution such as chemicals from factories and car emissions are considered to be dangerous because the air becomes hazardous to breathe. We also have water pollution. Some people and factories have chosen to dispose their garbage on waters rather than putting it in compost pits. Because of this, harmful substances of chemicals damages bodies of water. Overall, pollution diminishes our life expectancy and destroys the natural beauty of Earth.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.